Hello, today I'm going to go over a new mountain house that just came out. This is Wayne and I'm with Normal Prepping. What we're going to go over is, it's called Korean inspired beef with rice and vegetables in a bulgogi. I have no idea what that means. Yeah, that. Sauce. Some of that fancy stuff. This package has, for the entire package, has 580 calories, which is fairly good. I like a little bit higher calorie count for both backpacking and for prepping, but that's not too bad. It's about in standard with most mountain houses. And if you're not familiar with Mountain House, it's a freeze-dried meal, and it's amazing because its expiration date is in 30 years. Its best by date is February of 2055. Isn't that crazy? That'll be long gone by then probably. But yeah, so it makes it great for long-term storage, and it's just well packaged, So now I'll show you how you make it. The way they're made is that it's kind of cool. They used to have a little saying in the back. They took that away. And by the way, this isn't a sponsored video. And then what you do is you just peel this back, you turn that, rip that off. Okay, then once you have the top off, you open it up. Let's take a look at this. The first thing you want to do, which is something, I've been eating these for years and I always forget. You take out this and throw it aside. And then let's take a look at this. It's kind of interesting. When it's dry, this is what it looks like dry. Like that. So then what it says is, it says this one needs 1 1/3 cups of water or 11 ounces. And it needs to sit for 8 minutes and an additional 7 minutes. So I will pour that in. And normally when you do you usually do the 8 minutes, then you stir it, and then you go the additional. So you pour it in. Like that. Then you stir it up good. It's almost kind of soupy. Then you close it. And now we'll let it sit. And I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch this get ready, so I'll be back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. And what we did is we followed the directions. I let it sit for 8 minutes. I opened it up. I stirred it. And then I closed it back up, and I continued to let it rest for another 7 minutes. So now we will open it up and try it out. When you look at it, it's actually, it's pretty runny. So we pour it out. Oh, look at that. So that doesn't look too bad, does it? Put this aside. Okay, see, it looks like it has some some carrots in it. It looks really good. It has some zucchini. See that? And look at the rice. This looks pretty good. So let's give it a try. It's a little soupy. It looks soupy in the package, but actually on the plate, it's not that bad. It's hot. It's a taste I've never really experienced before. It's pretty mild. It has a little bit of just a slight bit of heat that follows. It kind of hits you in waves. It doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. Try it again. It tastes very light. Yeah, it actually, after the second bite, I feel a little heat now. I'm a person who can take a lot more heat than most people, so my taste buds aren't calibrated to most people. But I do feel a slight bit of heat. Try another little taste. It's really kind of, I don't know, light. Yeah, and it just it does have heat, has some flavor. It's not really in my palate. I'm not really a big fan of it. It's not very hearty. Um, it if I was backpacking or if I was, out and about, I'm not sure I'd just be too excited about this one. I mean, it's good, and actually the heat is building up, but yeah, it's not one of my favorite mountain houses, but it isn't bad. I mean, if you like, this, what I said, it's that Korean inspired beef. Perhaps this, if you're into that type of food, which I like Thai food and stuff, but this isn't like Thai. Um, you may like it, but I don't think I'll be buying any more of these myself. So that's basically how I stand on this one. I'm not really impressed. So if you're a newer subscriber or new watcher, thanks for watching, and I will catch you later. Goodbye.